Hey, what's going on, folks? Mikey Heels here. Just going out for that pregame ride, but it's always EAGLES. Go Birds! Let's go tonight. But go Birds from Georgia. Yeah, that Wilbert Montgomery. This is a big game for the Falcons too, right? Considering they're 0-1 Monday night. Going to Philly for their home opener. Yo, everything is Eagles green here in Mikey Heels headquarters, including him, the one and only. What's my name for him? Frankincense. Yep. And tonight we're both pulling for the Eagles. EAGLES, go Birds here in Georgia. Yeah, baby. So go Birds from